Hi everyone, it's Josiah with MachMotion again. We're working on this CR Onsrud Panel Pro today, and we're getting ready to integrate this drill bank. So we're just going to go over a couple of the things we need to watch for and the steps we're going to go through to integrate this with our control. So up top here we have a bank of air solenoid valves. These are actually what's going to run the drill bank up and down. So for instance, we want to use this tool on this particular machine. This is called tool 53 and 54. So when we call that tool, this is going to have to extend down, right? We also have a main air cylinder up here that moves the entire drill bank up and down. So anytime we're calling a drill, this needs to be engaged. So in its down position like it is right now. Over here we have the motor that is actually rotating this drill. So anytime we call a drill, this motor has to be running. We'll set this up. We're going to find our drill offset, so the distance between each drill and the distance between the spindle here and the first drill over here. So we're going to record all that data based on what we can get from Onsrud and then what we can measure ourselves. We'll program each one of these tools into the CNC control and test it out on a part to make sure everything matches up.
If you have a machine you'd like to upgrade, please reach out, talk to us, and see what we can do for you. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, stay in touch. We'd love to hear from you.